Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking stir-fried chicken with onion and oyster sauce. So let's start cooking. Now we're going to fry the chicken. Heat up a pan, add in just a little bit of oil. I'm using a non-stick pan over here, so I'm not adding in too much of oil. Once the oil has heated up, add in chicken. I'm using over here 1 boneless chicken thigh, approximately 230 grams, cut into pieces like this. We do not need to marinate the chicken because this dish comes with some sauce. Don't move the chicken first. We want to brown the chicken on all sides. Just let them pan fry for a minute or two. Now we'll turn it to the other side. Now all this while I'm using medium heat. You can do the same. This is how we want it to be, a little bit brown. We'll do the same for each side. Now that the chicken has browned, we'll add in 2 pieces of red onion, cut into pieces like this. Put it in. If you like your dish to be a little spicy, you can add in some dried chilli. I've soaked 2 pieces of dried chilli. Just mix it around. Fry this for a minute or two. We just want the onions to soften a bit. Now we'll add in 4 cloves of garlic, sliced very thinly like this. Make sure that your onion has softened or become translucent like this before you add in the garlic. I'll be adding in also 2 pieces of spring onion, putting in the white stem part first, cut into pieces like this. Just mix it around. Very beautiful dish. Now we'll add in our seasoning. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Mix it around. We'll now add in 1 teaspoon of sugar. Same thing, we'll mix this around. Now we'll add in 4 tablespoons of Chinese rice wine. If you do not take alcohol, then you can just change this to water, it's fine. Smells really, really good. This is almost ready. Add in a few dashes of white pepper. And now all we need to do is thicken this up with cornstarch solution. Just mix it around. Give this a mix. And add in the rest of the spring onion. Time to have our lunch. And now the dish is done, let's have a taste. The chicken is cooked just nice. You can feel a little bite on the chicken. The sauce is really fantastic. I think this goes best with steamed rice. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.